It's piano time!
Lessons with Lolly. Loud and soft sounds. In the heart of Rainbowville, the colors of the rainforest blended in harmony. Lolly the Lorikeet decided to delve into teaching a new musical concept to his friends. Bella the butterfly, Tammy the toucan, and Benny the bullfrog were all eager to learn. Inspired by the different sounds around them, Lolly wanted to teach them about loud and soft sounds. Perched on a branch beneath the vibrant canopy, Lolly gathered his curious friends. Today, we're going to explore the differences between loud and soft sounds in music. God created this incredible world full of beauty for us to enjoy. Music is one of the ways we can express our gratitude for His creation.